Continue your progress even if people will see you as a poser. There will be times talaga that people around you, they will ridicule you, they will bash you kasi meron kang gustong gawin na bagay na hindi mo ginagawa dati. Sasabihin nila, hindi siya bagay sa ganun. He or she is not staying on his lane. Marami silang magiging negative comments. And maaring valid yun. But at the end of the day, don't let it get into your head. Kung alam mong yun yung gusto mong gawin and it's aligned with your values and your purpose, do it. Marami talagang mga bagay, mga tao na magsa-stop sa'yo, pagtatawanan ka, and minsan nakaka-discourage natin. Don't let it get into your head. Surround yourself with people who will correct you, but also uplift you. Even if they are bashing you and feeling nila poser ka, so what? Ganun naman